4 interesting facts about the Suzuki Vitara. So let's get started. First one. Did you know that to navigate and control the gauges in front of the steering wheel, you have to use these little sticks? So as you can clearly see right here, we can easily change these screens using these little control sticks, just like you would find in older cars. Interesting fact number 2 for you. Did you know that every Suzuki Vitara features wireless Apple CarPlay, which works really well and smoothly? You can connect your device wirelessly with both Android and iPhone smartphones very easily. In my case, it's Apple CarPlay. Interesting fact number 3. Did you know that here in the center, we have a camera hidden in one of the air vents? This feature was present in previous versions as well. This camera watches us while we are driving, ensuring that we don't show signs of fatigue and that we stay fully attentive on the road ahead. And interesting fact number 4. Did you know that there is a special Suzuki Vitara Elegance Sun version available? This specific model features a stunning, full-length, panoramic glass roof that you can easily slide open just like this, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air and natural sunlight. It's an impressive sheet of glass that gives a great sense of freshness and illuminates the interior in a really nice way. Thank you.